Hi everyone! So for a while now I have wanted to paint on denim. Recently I finally went to town and got myself some acrylic paints that I can use to paint on my denim jacket. And I thought, why not film the process? You know, it could go quite well, meaning it would be a good DIY-y video. Like, I haven't done one of those in ages and I used to love doing DIY videos. And if it went horribly wrong, then it would be somewhat entertaining. So if you're interested in finding out how I got along with painting my jacket, carry on watching.
Buzzing and we're humming and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing and we're humming and we're loving all day. Yeah, feels good when I'm near you. I got the whole world in our rear view.
Basically for the last like 10 to 15 minutes I've been sketching some designs in my sketchbook, and I'm not going to take credit for these. I've found them off Pinterest, and yeah, I've actually seen this one done on a jacket, so I think I might go for this one because I really like the look of that jacket. And yeah, I started drawing like this design, which was kind of like a warm-up practice one, but also kind of like a maybe possibly I'll do it on my jacket kind of design. But it includes a hand, and I am all for drawing hands, so I think I prefer this design. And then I doodled some other patterns around it just to fill the page up, to be honest. So this is the jacket I'm going to be working with, and I really hope I don't ruin it. My hopes aren't too high, but I really want this to work, because yeah, I mean, why wouldn't I? So yeah, I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna draw the design on with a pencil, just so that I don't mess it up, and then go over it with paint. I've wanted to do this for ages and it's like finally happening, so I'm really excited.
Never held me down. We've been through all these grapevines. How we gonna find out Flying high like the birds and the bees, and fill the sky with the songs and the trees. Cause we're buzzing and we're humming and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. Cause we're buzzing and we're humming and we're loving all day. Find your wings when you're with me, girl. Take a trip, we can feel this world. Leave it all, watch your life unfurl. Let these moments move. Love deeper than the blue that you see now. Way above all the seas with our wings out. Good times, yeah, we got them on speed out. Sun shining through.
So it's taken me an hour to do one layer of paint, and I am definitely going to need to do more layers because the fabric has kind of just like soaked it in. But yeah, I'm going to use that as a base to now paint over it again. So I just painted a second layer onto the design, and I'm going to let it dry and see how it is tomorrow. If it's faded, then I'm going to go over with a third layer and let it dry, then heat set it, but we'll see how it goes.
With our wings out, good times, yeah, we got them on speed out. Sun shining through. buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving, loving all day.
That concludes it for today's video. Not so bad, eh? Like, I'm quite happy and proud with the results. I'm definitely going to wear this jacket out. I don't know, I think it gives it a bit more character. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I definitely had so much fun filming. It was a bit of a I need to express myself creatively, otherwise I'm going to go crazy kind of moment. It was a bit of a like kind of moment. I don't know what that is all about, but you know. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think of the jacket down below in the comments. I would also be very interested in knowing if you guys would like to see more DIY videos, some thrift flips maybe. I am very into that at the moment. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully next week. And yeah, bye!
We live